family and friends. Welcome back to my channel, Business for Profit, B4P. I tell you, B4P, where we discuss the best business. I tell you, the best business place, the best business product, best price, and I tell you, the best right connection. Stay with me and have a wonderful time here. Now, I'm here with how to start and own a pig farm with 120,000 naira, $250. You own your farm, you own your pig, and I tell you, it can go into a very big farm. I tell you, pig business is a very profitable business. I tell you, very profitable. It's a business where you can convert your waste to food, your waste to money. I tell you, you can start very small and grow very big. I tell you, one pig can turn to hundreds of piglets. I tell you, and make you so much money. I'm here to tell you how you can start now. Friends, now is the time to start your own farm business. And I tell you, I'm here to give you the breakdown, absolute breakdown, how you can spend just 120,000 naira to purchase your pig, get your space, and feed your pig adequately. I also want to open your eyes to different aspects of pig business. I tell you, this business has different aspects, and the first aspect I'm introducing to you and I want you to do right away is raising a mother pig and piglets, mother pig and withers. Dear friends, you only need to cause your mother and make your mother pig pregnant for just 4 months. In fact, less than 4 months, 3 weeks, 3 months, 3 weeks, and 3 days. And I tell you, a pig can produce as low as 4, as high as 6, 8, 10, 12 piglets. Friends, under 8 weeks, you can sell your piglets. 8 weeks after breastfeeding, you sell your piglets and you earn your money back. And after 2 or 3 weeks, your mother pig is ready to get pregnant again. Is that not wonderful? Another aspect of the business is the growers. You can also decide to do growers. Growers is where you keep your piglet from the winners, for the winner stage, and after 8 weeks, for just 2 or 3 months, so that you can sell at a higher amount. And from there, you can sell to farmers. Also, the third stage is the fattening stage, where you can raise a winner or grower to the market stage. But I tell you, you can choose to do a normal feeding. But a case where you feed your pig back to back adequately, so that they can reach the market stage on time, under 7 months, to arrive at 60 kg, 70 kg, 80 kg. That's what they call fattening. Of course, it's quite expensive and also profitable. But right away, let's go back to business. How you can own your own business with a small capital. How you can start your business right away with a small amount of money in your hand. I'm here to give you the breakdown. But before I go into this, I want to watch the video. You have to watch this video so you can understand this business better and understand all I've discussed so far. Stay with me and watch. I'll be right back. You see my pregnant pig? Can you see my pregnant pig? He's really doing well. Pregnant is about to deliver. He's a very healthy mother. You can see my pregnant pig. Can you see it? It's about to deliver. The animal is such a wonderful animal. Can you see my pregnant pig? Can you see? The other pen has some piglets. You know, can you see some piglets? You can see some piglets. Can you see it? So you can see my animal. My animal is pregnant, is heavy. You know, you give back at any time. I hope you enjoyed the video showing you different aspects and different stages of the pig life stages. You're welcome back. Right to business. How can you own your business right away? What is the next step to do now? And that's what I want to give you. For friends, please subscribe to my channel. I tell you, you're going to have a wonderful time on this channel. Different businesses that will come in your way that you can do right away with a minimal cost. How do I own my own farm with just 120,000 naira? Number one, select a good mother pig, which we call about to cross. A very good one. Select one, a very good one. I tell you, for a starter, don't go for pure breed. It's highly expensive. You know, the pure breed, the large white, the Duroc, the Camboro. No, go for crossbreed. Crossbreed, that means they have crossed a local and a pure breed, and it's giving you a crossbreed. It's always cheaper. Like you see my pig, you can go back and watch the video. My pig is crossbreed and it's doing well. I tell you, doing well. So select one quickly, and after selection, watch out for two things: that the pig has a well-developed vulva, genital parts, and it has nipples on each side of the belly, at least 6 on this side, 6 on this side. Because at times the number of nipples, which we call teeth, determine the capacity or ability of the mother pig to raise so many piglets. So having your selection, let's go right away to the next thing to do. The next is to select your space. And friends, I tell you, for a starter, you don't need to buy any space. For a starter, you don't need to buy any land. Go and rent. Friend, go and rent. You can rent at a government farm. You can rent from a private farm. Yes, rent a space, rent a pen, rent a room. You are good to go. The next thing, friend, is to choose attendant. You are not a food farmer yet. You are not a full-time farmer. So you get an attendant, and I tell you that's also very easy. Because you are using an existing farm or you are renting, I tell you there's ready-made attendants on the farm that you can employ to watch your pigs daily and to feed your pig daily. And you can always come there once or twice a week. The next point quickly is feeding system. For a starter, I tell you, to feed a mother pig is very, very cheap compared to growers and fattening. So I recommend just 3 types of food. Number 1, palm kernel wastes. I tell you, palm kernel waste. Number 2, food fat soya. Number 3, corn. In fact, you can do corn wastes. You can do corn waste. And I think my next video, I'm going to show you the video of these food items and how you can get it. Then to add to this, you compound. That's what we call it, compound. You put all these things together. You mix the palm kernel waste, the food fat soya, and the corn waste. You mix it together to call it compound. And what's next? You add your waste. Right now, after you have started your business, you don't throw away your wastes, your yam wastes, your yam peel. I tell you, it's very good for the pig. Tell your friend, please don't throw away your yam peel. I need it. Gather it and take to the farm every week, and they add to the compound to feed your pig. You are good to go, friends. You are good to go. So let us do the costing. A crossbreed will cost you for now 60,000 naira. Just 60,000 naira. I tell you, friend. Then the housing, just pay for 6 months till the time you're going to get your money back. Because remember, we say your money will come back in 6 months. Yes. So just pay for 6 months. You can get a room for just 2,000 naira. So for 6 months is 12,000 naira. Then the feeding that I've just explained, you can do a feeding of 10,000 naira every month. 10,000 naira every month. And when you do that, you can do for just 4 months. That's 40,000 naira. That's 40,000 naira. So with that, you are good to go. You are good to go with 40,000 naira to feed your pig, average of 4 to 6 months. Yes. Then the remaining money, you have about 8,000 left. You need to pay your attendants and pay for maybe anything you want to pay for water or whatever. That will cater for your attendant for 4 to 6 months. It depends, because you are not hiring the attendant for just a full-time work. It's just a part-time work, so you can pay a minimum amount. So with that, you are good to go, friends. I tell you, this is a wonderful business. With 120,000 naira, with my breakdown, you are ready. You are ready to go. I tell you, friend, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like my channel, and don't forget to ask your questions in the comment section. I'm going to answer you. Friends, it's time to start. The time to start is now. See you in my next video. Bye.